Today is Wednesday, March 2nd. We're going to take a quick look at the Dow Jones Transportation Average today. Pretty simple analysis. Since the beginning of last year, it's been in decline. Big drop off at the end of last year, and a nice recovery with the rest of the market this year so far. Let's put some lines on it and see what's going on. Just a trend line. Connect the dots, pretty simple. Just defining the trend and possibly a target where this bounce can take the index. You can see that the red line, the 50-day average, is broken. So next you look at the 200-day average in teal or green above that, and it's not too far from the trend line. So there's a little room left for this rally to go. Let's keep going with the trend lines. Some horizontal lines on. This is a pretty good level to use. You can see back here it acted as resistance, support. Little violation there last August when the market went nuts, and then again support. So this is another good level to watch, and there's one more I want to put in right about there, and it's another level where support is now going to turn into resistance, and that is now meeting the trend line. So somewhere in this zone where the 200-day average is, right in this area, I'll let the cursor calm down. Somewhere in that zone is probably a good target for the transportation index. On the bottom here we have price relative. This is just price versus the S&P 500. So it's an indication of relative performance or relative strength. Obviously a rally early this year, but the overall trend still to the downside. And even if we put a trend line on that thing, which is perfectly valid, you can see there's still room to go there in terms of relative performance. And underneath that is on balance volume. I don't know how valid that is for an index, although we do have volume on the index. Nothing really exciting to say about money flows in and out of this index. Now there is an ETF, and I'll do a quick look at that chart. It's the IYT Transportation ETF. Very similar look. We could also draw another horizontal line. So it's very similar, not a whole lot of extra information, but nice bounce, but there's a ceiling, it looks like, coming up pretty soon, maybe 140 on the ETF. And while everything looks great for transportation, I would not say that this is a bull run by any means.